Hello guys and welcome to today's trader gap. Today I took a short on GBP GPY. At first I was watching GBP USD, did not give me any setup. USD GPY also did not give me any setup. Price just kept going down without any fucking confluences. But the only setup that I saw is on GBP GPY, and I did broke a rule. How you gonna say how did you break a rule? It is I traded against the trend, so as you clearly can see we are trading in an uptrend, and I took a short on that. I took a big risk on a reversal. So the reason I'm talking with a very low voice is because it is 6 a.m. in the morning and everyone is sleeping right now. So yesterday I couldn't make a video of the trade recap because I was very busy and I didn't have time. So I wake up early every day. I have time now. I'm doing the trade recap. So let's go straight into today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go. So starting off with the 4-hour time frame, we were having this overall 4-hour bearish order block. We did get a retracement into it, and with that on the 1 hour there were a high made and the liquidity, so price ended up going higher, swept out the liquidity, and then retrace it back into this 4-hour bearish fair value gap. Hold on. We respected that fair value gap, so I went to the 1 hour. So on the 4 hour we did took out the liquidity, but the thing is that we didn't take out London session highs. We didn't have a session liquidity sweep. We had a drawn liquidity, normal drawn liquidity sweep. So with that I was waiting for an invalidation of a 15-minute bullish order flow to maintain the bearish order flow. And the reason, hold on, I'm going to get there later. So scale down to the 15-minute. We were having this bullish 5-minute fair value gap and this 5-minute breaker, 15-minute this 15-minute fair value gap and this 15-minute breaker block. So with that we came down, we broke structure to the downside, and then we kept moving lower. We respected this fair value gap, then we broke structure to the downside, we disrespected it, we turned it into a inverse fair value gap, but we didn't came back to this breaker. So with that I scaled down to the 5-minute, and this is where everything set it up perfectly. So I scaled down to the 5-minute. After we got the retracement from this hold on, we had this overall 1 hour, I think, no, 15 minutes, hold on, 15 minutes, uh, 15-minute fair value gap. We got a retracement into this inverse fair value gap and the 5-minute breaker. So as you can see, the retracement, I draw down equilibrium, and there were equilibrium hit, inverse fair value gap, and a breaker block. So with that I was waiting for a 5-minute bullish order flow to get invalidated. So let's delete all this shit. What? Oh fucking hell, bro. Oh my so we had this bullish 5-minute fair value gap. We came down, invalidated right here, we closed below it, and then there were this 5-minute order block. We did retrace from it to a 5-minute equilibrium zone, which is right here, and and we filled up this 5 minute fair value gap. I'm going to draw it for you, this tiny ass fair value gap, because on the 1 hour 1 minute it looks brighter. So with that, I was aiming for this structure to be taken. We can break structure to the downside. Hold on, what the fuck is that? So we can break structure to the downside, and we close below this order block. So with that, I scaled down to the even lower, which is the one. Hold on, 1 minute. I was waiting for price to take out this low to make a market structure shift, and once we closed below it, I should have entered right here, but I entered a little bit later. I actually put in my order like on MetaTrader. I did the click sell from here, but the spread and the commission, so this were my entry point. So it should have been here right when we close below that zone. So we did the hold on, I'm going to explain the take profits and stop loss. So for my first take profit, I was aiming for these 5 minute lows, which is giving me a pretty much 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. That's good. So with that, I put in my stop loss in the first place. I put in my stop loss right here. I was aiming to put my stop loss right here, but when I entered a little bit late, I had to lower my stop loss because the amount of pips that I've calculated the position with is a 33 pips, but it's okay. I was good with it because we were having this high and this order block. So for my second take profit, I went to the 1 hour, and I pretty much scaled in equilibrium from these lows to these highs, and that has given me this equilibrium zone of the overall move. So with that, I set in my TP right there at the equilibrium zone, and the first thing, we came down, we took out take profit 1, but then price kept consolidating for a lot of time. So right when we took out the take profit 1, I set it my stop loss at break even because I was going I was very busy. I had to close my laptop. I left my home, and I didn't want to risk more than I should be. I have to make money on this trade because last 2 trades I didn't put my stops at break even, and I lost the money that I did. So I was break even 2 trades in a row, so I had to make money today. And yeah, I did really well. Price ended up going slightly to my stop loss, but it didn't hit. So I was waiting for retracement, and then we got the breaker structure right here on the 15 minute. Then boom, I was literally in the first place. I was waiting for. I was aiming for these London session lows, but I didn't want to be too greedy because I'm in the first place focusing on getting a retracement, and the retracement is not taking out the London session lows. I thought price is going to make a higher low and then continue on to the upside. That's why I did put my full take profit at that point. So yeah, with that is the trade recap for today. I hope you guys benefit from this. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace out.